So the athletes listed for semi-final number 2 of 3, Barracks, Price, Oakley, Parks, Harris, and Blake. Will go through them in a little bit.
Not crazy how dominant Akila Bell has been. 8 of the 9 fastest times. I don't know that you get more dominance than that in any event at Champs. She is an overwhelming favorite.
That was Maya Oakley from Homo Technica. Martina Parks, look out for her from St. Jago. Runs out of lane 5, Jada Harris, Judea Harris of Wilmers, and Ayana Blake from Immaculate. Rajana Price from Alpha, not there.
Well, that's a big loss to the field. Rajana Price is the athlete denying Akila Bell from having the 10 fastest times in Class 2 this season. So, big blow for Alpha as well in their quest to finish top 5 here at Champs.
On your marks.
This event, actually based on our timing, should have gone off at 5:55, so early.
Martina Parks, part of that St. Jago Class 2 4x100 team, a very fast St. Jago Class 2 4x100 team, best in the country.
Stand up.
So stand up here. So this is interesting. So we had 5 athletes going in the first semi-final, 5 athletes going in the second semi-final, and there are 6 athletes listed in the third semi-final.
Yeah, the thing is, once the heats were drawn, that was that. The withdrawals came following that.
And
on your marks.
Argument will always be, once the athletes come to the call room, and you see that there are withdrawals, is it possible to redraw it so you have 2 semifinals? The
Great
possibility,
questions.
but it is what it is here. And Barracks, Oakley, Parks, Harris, Blake.
Watch Martina Parks.
No, they're sent away. Well, we thought so. I think everyone thought so, but they're called back.
Yeah, St. Jago's Martina Parks warmed up really well for Champs at the GC Foster Classics at GC Foster College. That was among the last meets. Oh, lane number 7. Doesn't look good with the naked eye.
That's Ayana Blake from Immaculate in 7. Let's wait and see. Of course, the starters will convene. The discussion will be had. And then the instruction will follow.
Not seeing the reaction times come up just yet.
Somehow this feels like deja vu. Leonardo and Ricardo on commentary. Race is being called back.
Oh wow, yellow card being shown to
lane 7.
7. Was it lane 7?
That's lane 6.
At 6. With the yellow card was shown to Judea Harris of Wilmers.
Just relax when you come to your set.
We don't have the benefit of the reaction
on your marks.
Reaction times, folks.
The instruction from the start is to be relaxed at the set position. So maybe she was moving, not settle.
And this is another part of the inconsistency, because why are we getting reaction times on one day and not the next?
I could answer that, but maybe on Monday.
Please don't.
Set.
So they're sent away this time. A pretty even start. Parks from St. Jago gets up well on the outside. Harris from Woodman's Girls also looks strong. It's Parks and Harris. Parks in front of Harris. Harris coming back. It's close on the line. Parks gets it. 13.36 for Parks from St. Jacob, ahead of Jadea Harris from Wilma's Girls. Based on the eye test, 13.39 for Parks.
Yeah, 13.39, as I said, warmed up really well for Champs with a 13.61 performance at GC Foster Classics. And she's coming here primed to do well. Personal best for the winner in the first semi-final. And Martina Parks delivers same in the second semi-final. Very good start. On her outside, Harris of Wilma's having to run back, but she does it brilliantly. Joins her mid-race, and they race together all the way, but Parks always just able to hold a slight advantage. Beautiful hurdling from both young ladies.
For a moment there, Ricardo thought that Jadea Harris was going to get back to Parks. Maybe about 2 flights of hurdles to go, but responded well. It's Monk Street and a Punk Street. Can't ask Ricardo to say that. Here the confirmation of the times. 13.39 for Parks, 13.42 for Harris.